You're taking the movie of me in the snow. I'm in the snow 'cause it's snowing. December 18th. No, it's the 19th.
Get the one. Alright.
Oh, this is great snow.
Yeah.
The deep stuff. Look at this snow wall. Do you see this?
Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Did you see that? Did you see this? Look, 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 look. Look at my feet. Woo. Did you see that?
This snow is incredible. There's somebody like crashing up in front of us. I can hear the sounds.
Wow, it's beautiful. Take this picture. Take that picture. No, no, here.
Oh, fucked. Covering fail. That Jeep is fucked. I mean, it's like a blizzard here, basically. This building is actually really cool. It's I'm not sure if it's an elementary or a middle school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-story, like big. Behind us is a park.
Go.